My favorite food is taco, Dad. Stupid humans! I don't need food! I am eternal with no need for sustenance.
Welcome to Prompt Gods, a 12-part series taking a look at the AI art world and the prolific illustrators that have unintentionally become some of the most used prompt words within the AI art community. Wang Ling, more popularly known as WLOP, is a Chinese freelance artist specializing in 2D and 3D art. The digital images he creates are dreamlike, and it is said that he often doesn't stop drawing until the feelings which are driving his process are finally portrayed in the painting. His style is often described as melancholic and surreal. His characters' expressions gaze deep into your soul and resonate within. Most of his themes revolve around the fantasy genre, characters embedded in a glorious and rich environment, brought to life by an expert use of light and dark greys, with accentuated brighter colours to exalt certain elements. Not only is his work adored by the online art community, he's also celebrated for his ongoing webcomic, Ghostblade. Let's see how artificial intelligence interprets WLOP's style. Wang Ling is an artist that incorporates many digital softwares into the creation of his artworks, and even though some of these programs are accessible to the wider public, it's safe to say that a beginner in the digital art space would still struggle to conceptualize anything close to him. AI tools are getting better by the day, but having a solid foundation and understanding of art principles and techniques will still put you 10 times ahead of everyone else. At least, it will for now. Thanks for watching, and join us next week where we'll be taking a look at another prompt god.